Hello and welcome to Web Answers. So in this video tutorial I will let you know about the media in WordPress. So media is actually folder based tab in WordPress where you can upload your images, your PDF, your audio files or video files or any other thing. You can go to the media, and now in the media you will see all of your files present here. You can also use these filters for different items. You can also use the dates. You can also bulk select the multiple items, and if you have multiple items and you want to make a search to find something, you can also use the search bar. Suppose here is the image, you can click on this image, and now it will also provide you the edit mode. Just click on this edit image, and now you will see that you can make this image cropped. You can also rotate this image to left. You can also rotate it right. You can play with these settings. You can play with these settings as per your requirements. You can also flip that, and after that just click on this save button. You can also add an alternative text for your image or the title of the image. You can also add a caption to your image and write the description for that. And you can also copy this URL to clipboard so you can use it somewhere else if you need. After that you can just cross this, and now you will see that our image is successfully edited. And if you want to use some PDF, you just need to scroll up and then click on this button add new. Now you can drag the file here, or you can just click on select files. Now go to the downloads, and if you have document present here you can choose that. I have some here. Just click on this and open this. Now you'll see that our PDF is uploaded successfully. Just click on this PDF. So suppose we want to use this PDF as a downloadable link. Just then copy this link and now cross that. Suppose we want to create a new page and add it here. Go to the pages and click on add new. Give your page a name. I will name it home, and now choose a blog. Just click on this plus icon, and suppose I want to add a button, just click on this button, and now add your text here. And now you can link this button from here. Just put the URL that you copied from there and then press enter. You can also open this link in the new tab. After doing all this, just you need to click on this publish. Now you can view your page, and now you will see that our PDF downloadable link is present here. Just click on this button, and now it will just create a pop-up where it says to download the PDF that we already have. And now we can use and download this. So in this way you can use the media library. You can go from the dashboard, and now in media library you can also bulk select the items. You can delete these permanently if you need. You can also use different filters. So you can also upload the different audio files or the video files. You can also upload multiple images, so you can use these images in the slider if you need, because these images will be already present once you need you can all you can once you need because these images would be present in your library, you can use it whenever you need. So in this way you can use this media library in your WordPress website. So hopefully you got something from this video. Then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel so you can get the latest updates. Thank you so much.